An organization intends to connect Microsoft Dataverse with Azure Service Bus. Whenever an account entity's credit limit is modified to exceed $25,000, details of the record, along with the previous credit limit amount, need to be sent to an Azure Service Bus queue. You utilize the Microsoft Power Platform CLI to generate the plugin package. Which service interface must your code leverage?
iService Endpoint Notification Service.
All right, so the correct answer for this question is option B, iPlugin Execution Context.
Option C, iWeb HTTP Service Endpoint Plugin.
Option D, iService Endpoint Plugin.
Let's consider what this question is asking us to do. We need to write custom code, specifically a plugin package using the Microsoft Power Platform CLI that triggers when a specific field on an entity changes. The goal is to send record details and previous values to an external messaging service, which is Azure Service Bus. We need to identify the exact service interface required within our code to facilitate posting this notification from Dataverse to the Service Bus.
Now let's look at the options and determine the right choice. In my view, the correct answer is option A, iService Endpoint Notification Service.
To post execution context data from a Dataverse plugin to an Azure Service Bus queue, topic, or event hub, developers need to retrieve and invoke the iService Endpoint Notification Service from the service provider. This specific service handles the responsibility of passing the execution context to the registered service endpoint.
On the other hand, the other options are incorrect for this specific task. Option B, iPlugin Execution Context, provides contextual information about the plugin execution, but it does not handle the posting of the notification itself. Options C and D represent other specialized interfaces that do not directly manage the notification posting service invocation within custom plugin logic. Therefore, option A is the appropriate interface to use here.